In this video, I'm going to talk about Math TV. I chose to share Math TV because this website is home to 10,000 free math videos covering high school topics such as algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and calculus. However, their basic math topic will be most relevant for middle school students. Behind the videos, there are 34 great tutors. They have this many tutors because they have different approaches to the same math topics, and problems help students see how to solve problems differently. Math TV has been optimized for all mobile devices so students can watch them on the go or teachers can incorporate them into daily mathematics instruction. My goal for this video was to give students resources that they can watch a short video or topic when struggling with problems at home. This website ensures all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet students' learning needs and support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning of individual students. So looking a little closer at Math TV. Okay, up at the top, you can choose different topics that you want to cover. You can search topics. Okay, if you scroll down on the home page, you can pick what different areas. So that's the same. You get these is the same thing as up here, and then choose the topics. Okay, some featured videos. Okay, talks about subtracting, or proving identities. Okay, so forth. Okay, so if you click on, let's say, trigonometry, then it breaks it down to different things. Okay, so if we want to talk about triangles, we can click on triangles. Okay, then it'll pulls up the different lessons. Okay, so this is a mini lesson to find the area of triangle ABC based on these different parameters. Okay, for this one, there's only one teacher, so you can click on the teacher and you can watch their video. Okay, or you can talk about the laws of cosine. So depending on what you want, okay, there's different videos. Okay, so these three here, they have three different people that taught it. So if you watch Stephanie and you didn't like how Stephanie did it, you could watch CJ. So they're going over the same problem, but they're just showing different methods to solve it the same way. This is the same way set up for all of them. So every single one of these is the same. So this is a little background on how Math TV works. I think this is be a very good thing to share to parents, share to students, okay, to even give to fellow math teachers as well, just to help them encourage students to go home and watch videos when they're confused to kind of help them understand what is going on. Or you could also use it in your classroom as a supplemental video during a lesson.